Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make good nacho cheese. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 1.5 cups of whole milk or half and half. For the cheese, grab 8 ounces of a good melting variety, like sharp cheddar or Monterey Jack. These simple components are the secret to a rich, creamy, and utterly delicious nacho cheese sauce that everyone will love. Now let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, cooking for about 1 minute until a smooth paste or roux forms. This is crucial for preventing lumps. Gradually pour in 1.5 cups of milk, whisking continuously. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing it to thicken for about 3 to 5 minutes until it coats the back of a spoon. With our base ready, it's time for the star ingredient, the cheese. Remove the saucepan from the heat before adding 8 ounces of your freshly shredded cheese. This prevents the cheese from seizing or becoming grainy. Stir gently until the cheese is completely melted and the sauce is wonderfully smooth and glossy. For an extra kick, stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and a dash of your favorite hot sauce. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Your incredible homemade nacho cheese is now ready to enjoy. Pour it generously over a pile of crispy tortilla chips. For an authentic touch, consider garnishing with sliced pickled jalapenos, fresh cilantro, or a dollop of cool sour cream. If you have any delicious leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Reheat gently on the stovetop or in the microwave, adding a splash of milk to restore its creamy consistency.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.